Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue north on US Highway 1, locally signed as South Dixie Highway. We begin at mile 138.2 as we enter South Miami Heights. This unincorporated stretch has a classic suburban corridor feel. Older neighborhood plazas mixed with newer infill, auto dealers and repair bays, bakeries and Latin eateries, small markets, and professional offices tucked behind palms. Cross streets in this segment come quickly, so you'll see plenty of turn pockets and short blocks. The South Dade Transitway parallels US-1 to our left, mostly out of sight behind the buildings, funneling express buses up toward the Metro Rail line. As we approach Eureka Drive, the frontage thickens with supermarkets and national chains, but mom-and-pop storefronts still fill many of the gaps. Next, we enter Cutler Bay, incorporated in 2005, where US-1 also carries the honorary name Cutler Bay Boulevard. The town's main commercial spine stays lively here. Groceries, quick-service restaurants, banks, medical offices, and longtime local businesses line both sides. You may notice redevelopment activity around the former Southland Mall site, with new mixed-use projects beginning to reshape the blocks. Neighborhoods step away to the east and west, while parks and lakes are never far from the corridor. Old Cutler Road branches off toward Biscayne Bay's leafy neighborhoods, but will keep with US-1 as it threads through steady traffic and frequent signals. We cross Florida's Turnpike in this area and end up on the Turnpike's east side. This is the last we'll see of the Turnpike as US-1 angles toward the coast. The only direct connection here is US-1 northbound to Turnpike northbound. Other connections rely on nearby surface streets. Right after the crossing, we're right back into the Cutler Bay storefronts and the steady rhythm of signals as the corridor carries us north. US-1 becomes the dividing line now, with Cutler Bay to our right and W.Perrine to our left. W.Perrine is an unincorporated community with deep local roots, and along this stretch you'll spot small churches, barbershops, tire and repair bays, and family restaurants that serve the surrounding neighborhoods. The look is lower rise and close to the curb, with narrow side streets feeding the highway. Keep an eye on the lane markings and short blocks. This is a busy, very local piece of US-1. Now we're in Palmetto Bay, and US-1 also carries the honorary name Palmetto Bay Boulevard through this segment. Here the corridor gets a touch greener, with more trees and slightly deeper setbacks between shops and the roadway. Just off to the east, Old Cutler Road leads to village landmarks like the Deering Estate and Thalata Estate Park on Biscayne Bay, while Coral Reef Park anchors recreation inland. Through Palmetto Bay, US-1 splits into a one-way couplet for a while. The northbound and southbound lanes run on parallel streets a block apart, so you'll see different businesses appear between the directions before the two sides rejoin farther north. Traffic stays brisk, signals remain frequent, and the transitway still parallels us to the left behind the buildings as we continue toward the core of Miami-Dade. We'll wrap up today at mile 142. If you're on a mobile device, be sure to click the hype button to help us bring in more viewers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.